There are various ways to communicate with both the other students in the class and your teacher when you are in the Collaborate room. The easiest form of communication is obviously to use your voice. It's to use that microphone. You should always be wearing a headset versus using the microphone and the sound that's coming directly from your internal mic in your computer. Wearing the headset makes things much easier. It blocks out noise, distractions, and then of course when you use the mic, it'll block out any noise or distraction that might come through it when the other people in the classroom are trying to hear what you're saying. So when you come into the classroom, or each time you come into any class, you want to make sure that that headset is working properly. So you're going to go to the top left-hand corner of your Collaborate classroom, and you see a microphone with a starburst coming out of it. This is what we call our audio setup wizard. And this is going to help you check your sound and your microphone every time you come into the classroom. So you're going to go ahead and click on that button, and it will prompt you. It will take you through the steps, very quick and easy steps, but it will take you through those to make sure that you can hear everything and so forth. And again, it will take you through the steps. I'm not going to do it now because my sound will turn off, and we don't want that to happen. If you need to adjust your microphone, say you're in the middle of the classroom, you're in the middle of class, and people are having trouble hearing what you're saying, you turn up your sound a little bit. Okay, so right above the talk button, that of course you have to click for people to hear you talk, right above that is a slider. Okay, and that's how you would adjust your sound up and down as far as your voice coming through the microphone. If you're having trouble hearing other people talking or hearing what else is going on in your classroom, right next to the talk button is a video button with a slider on top of it. You would use that slider to adjust your sound. In case you're having difficulty hearing, or in case there's a booming sound coming through the mic and you need to lower it a little bit. You'll notice right below that slider is a video button, and you can certainly use the video button if your teacher turns on that setting so that you can be seen by your class. It's always nice to see that. It's always nice to put faces to names and faces to voices. So you can certainly click on that video button, and then you'll come through the camera as well as just your voice coming through. So you want to remember that every time you come into the room, you do want to click on that setup wizard to be sure that everything is working properly. And you also want to make sure that if you are using your voice, you click that talk button. If you would like to be on camera, you click that video button, and you want to make sure that nothing is obstructing the camera if you're going to use that. So you can see it's very simple to communicate with one another, even in our online classroom.